Fuck you thought.
Hey guys, it's your boy Carlo, and we're back with another video. In front of us today, we have a pair of OG Chicago 13s, Cherry 13s, whatever you guys want to call it, from 1998. And I purchased these off a site known as Grail, which is basically another version of Kixify where people resell their shoes. And I got these for a pretty steal price of $100. And yeah, let's get started. My bad. So in this video today, we will be restoring these shoes, and there's a lot to be done to them. For one, we need to unfog that. There's a lot of dirt found on the shoe over here. There's a lot of unyellowing. We have some dye from the suede going on. We have some sole separation as well. You see right here, some dye on the bottom. Thank God there's no heel drag, and good thing that this is still in there, which is awesome. And yeah, so we'll start off with an overall cleaning, and from there we'll see what happens. So let's get started. Our tool of choice today is of course our Jason Mark, our trusty Jason Mark, as we see right here. And before we get started, let's just unlace these shoes, and from there we'll give it a deep clean scrub. So now that the laces have been taken off, we're just going to put them in a solution of Jason Mark, stir it a little, and it should remove all the dirt on the laces and the bit of yellow there is on it. So now we're going to give the shoes a deep clean scrub. So after that quick clean with the Jason Mark, we already see there's a big difference. The left shoe hasn't been cleaned yet, but the right shoe has. And we can see this is a lot browner than this. This is the original color. So let's do the other shoe and let's finish it. Alright, so we are now done the cleaning, and if you guys were paying attention to the video, there were these two orange pieces. And that is because this kind of broke here. The hologram's there, but this shell broke. I'll try to find a way to fix that. But as for now, we're gonna defog the other one, and the way to do this is we are going to use a hair dryer to see if it works. So I'll see you guys when that happens. So as we see here, it has really defogged the hologram, and now we can see the 28.3 again with Michael Jordan jumping. So now that all of that is done, there's sole separation, and I think what we should do is we should just take apart the soles and re-glue them. So let's take apart these soles. So now that the soles have been removed, we can see that the air units are still intact. And from here, I think what we should do is we should use some acetone and some alcohol to remove all the excess glue and all this bleeding here. And from there, we will clean these shoes. We will re-glue them with super glue or some cement, whatever I can find. And yeah, let's get started. now that we have the soles of the shoe prepped up with the acetone and cotton balls, I've let it dry, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna re-glue the uppers to the soles using some Gorilla Glue. Most people use Barge's cement, all-purpose cement. However, I don't have the money to afford a can of that, which is kind of expensive in Canadian dollars. So I'm using some Gorilla Glue. I bought two. They're relatively cheap compared to the cement, so yeah, it should work as well. I'm not sure, but yeah. So let's get started. Before I actually do the clamping and everything, I'm just gonna apply the glue to the surface of the sole and the bottom part of this, let it dry for around 7 minutes, and then from there I'll clamp it. So I'll see you guys when that happens. Alright guys, so after clamping and gluing the shoes together for around 2 hours, yes, that took quite a bit of time, we finally come to the finished product. So here we have the first shoe. Alright, yeah, it's a bit dark because I wiped it, but yeah, here's the other side. And yeah, these are basically his shoes. Overall, they came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this project. These are a pair of 1998 Chicago 13s, and in my opinion, I think we did them justice. So yeah, when we first saw the video, we saw they were dirty, their sole separation, the hologram was foggy. Well, now it's perfectly fine. So let's go to the B-roll. And after that, I'll show you guys an on-foot look.